Hello guys, welcome to Natural Remedies. This video is for those who do want the only proven cure to any disease or virus and to make the transition to a healthier state of being. Make sure you watch this video until the end to know the complete information. You should try to boost your immune system because at the end of the day, when all else fails, this is the only thing that will protect you against diseases and viruses. First of all, you have to stop all the things that limit the functionality of your immune system and suppress it. The first step to proper immune function is to largely eliminate the worst offenders in its suppression. Let's start with the number one. Number one, all forms of sugar. For example, brown sugar, corn syrup, maple syrup, and fruit juices. You can have the whole fruit instead, but don't overeat them. Seasonal fruit eating is healthy. If you eat a lot of fruit, that's not good either. If you are still hungry, you can eat more vegetables instead. Number two, processed junk foods. Number three, gluten. Number four, corn and soy. Number five, hydrogenated fats. Number six, alcohol. Number seven, chemical additives and preservatives. Number 8, heavy metals. Number 9, erratic sleep patterns. Number 10, inactivity. Number 11, stress. Any one of these offenders can severely suppress your immune system. If you engage in several, the compounding effects leaves this system unable to do its job effectively, and that makes you a willing host to all kinds of viruses, bacteria, and disease processes. The second step to proper immune function is to enlist powerful allies that help defend the system and respond to various offenders on a day-to-day basis. Let's start with the number one. Number one, a wide variety of clean, local, and fresh vegetables and fruits, notably garlic, onion, ginger, turmeric, peppers, cruciferous vegetables, dark leafy greens, lemons, oranges, and berries. Number two, vitamin C. Number three, vitamin D. Number four, zinc. Number 5, probiotics. Number 6, grounding. Number 7, moderate exercise. Number 8, pure clean water. Number 9, proper sleep patterns. Number 10, meditation. The quickest way to see the results of an improved immune system is to stop doing the things that suppress it. Then transition your lifestyle to include more of the immune system builders. This will supercharge your immune system and prepare it for any threats it may encounter. I will be uploading more videos soon about these where I go into much more detail on why and how these 10 things help you and your body in boosting its immune system. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family too. Goodbye.